I'm just making this up completely out of thin air, but when you have a larger, expensive, longer term project, it's good to get some small little side piece projects that don't cost you much to kind of, you know, keep the love alive. Like I said, I'm just making that up, but it makes me feel better. Now, out of these two bikes, I want this one going first. And this one's actually pretty cool. The way, because this is more your traditional mini bike frame with the straight, no frills. This one's cool because the way it humps up like an actual motorcycle. It's got an attempt at suspension. And it's not been raked out all crazy. Now it came with an engine on it, which isn't locked up, but doesn't feel like it has compression either. And somebody stripped the coil, the air shroud. And you don't strip all those things off a good engine to use on something else, usually. I don't know. But we ordered some tires. We got those coming. We bought 2 new engines for $100. They're on sale, but we got them for $100. And I paid $30 for the 2-year questions-free warranty on one of them because they won't know which one is which. That and in the Harbor Freight people's words, if they break, dump the fluids out of them, bring them back, we could care less. Where we're gonna start, let's show you this one, the one I don't like. So I'm gonna skip ahead and show you why I decided to junk this orange one. The biggest issue I have with this bike is somebody raked that front end way out. You can see this weld used to live here. So what they did was they just cut the welds, raked this thing up real stout, and lucky for me, did some kind of boogery welds. Looking at this a little closer, they really butchered this neck holdy dealer. Like you can see daylight in that hole. Okay, let's see if I manage to not cut into that tube. Good. But yeah, as you can see, the last people, they really did. This is going to be Jess's. It's going to be purple. I'm not going to junk this engine, but I am going to put some oil in it and throw it in a camper out back for a rainy day or parts or something. Old Nate would have got that thing running and fought with it, and it had been a pain. I just want new engines, I want new everything. I just want to pull, start, go. We could take these on the back of the van to shows, throw them in the back of the Coronet to the shows. I just want to be able to get places and not have to walk. This is going to be a nice, easy little project because normally I'm trying to save everything and reuse it. Not now, like this old seized up chain. Just get rid of it. Normally, I would be finding a bucket of vinegar or something and soaking this and trying to make it work. Not now. Look at that!
Very good, Gypsy. Very nice.
Now, how are the... Yeah, but the bearings are shot in it, so that's...
Dime.
Like I said, I want these things to be where we could hop on them and go all the way to town.
That would be fun.
And not have to worry about a bearing locking up. Plus, this is going to be yours. I don't want it to just like lock up and dump you on the ground.
Biker mama.
He's a big biker. Not big.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Hold up.
Talk about big.
Hold
we need to
up.
hurry up and get mini bikes before I get too fat. Thanks to somebody. It is not my fault. No accountability.
It's that damn dryer.
Yours has a great, like the center of gravity on this thing is, you just fall right, don't lean back. I'm kind of jealous you got the good one.
Oh.
I'm not gonna lie. But now we gotta get this, now I just gotta get this hunk of junk engine evicted. I think the best way to do that, probably not this way, but that's what we're doing. Now the question is, do I want to try and save this clutch? Folks, so some things have happened to this mini bike. Right now, we got everything cleaned up. It's as good as it's going to get for painting. Sorry I didn't film it, but sometimes you just get into it and start having fun. Come, bring them in close to show the people. As you can see, the mini bike was many different colors, starting with orange, then some yellow, then a red coat. I saw some blue here and there. Finished off with a we just stole it black paint job that it had. Because I'm not saying the people we got it from were, you know, God rest them. Yeah, taping off the foot pegs, and then we're just going to fog it with some primer so tomorrow I can start putting it back together. I think it's your day to learn how to shake some paint. Listen, all you got to do is take it and start shaking it. Anyway, shake the paint. Cut. Yeah, you always want to wear masks and the proper PPE for this stuff. All right, folks, here's your mini bike update. Got the bars for Jess's and primer. Also, the weather is just amazing today. The frame is going to be black. It's pretty well done. There might be a couple touch-up spots, but we primered it, blacked it. What else? We got the tires came in. Pretty good tread on them for $20 tires. One bad thing that happened on her bike was, well, I'm getting ready to change tires while paint's drying. I've actually found the bearings that fit these somehow. They're a little spendy, but one was seized. The same with the front wheel. This bearing was seized completely, and I went to try and tap this out, and it busted that whole mag wheel out. Now, I was barely tapping it, so I'm glad it broke here, not when she's trying to ride it down the road. There's the purple we're going to be using for hers. We're going to steal the front wheel off mine, until we can find one for hers. Because we have everything. We've got the chain. We've got everything here. The hand controls kind of scattered about. To put hers together, I got to finish painting the seat frame. The bars are going to be purple. The tank's going to be purple. Get out of here, you idiots. Beat it. Anyway, back to this. Check her out. See why I hate painting things? It's a pain in the ass. This tire is a real problem. Welcome back to Nate's mini bike thing. This tire's been fighting. I tried the bead breaker. I got it half out, but this side is just, I'm in the fight of my life, and it's against a 6-inch tire. Get out of there! Bah! I mean, I only bent the shit out of the rim a little. You know, no, we can fix that real quick. Brand new. If you look real close on those sprockets, there's hardly any time on them sprockets. So that we will reuse that. Also, did you notice your mini bike has been purple once before? Folks, welcome back to Mini Bike Madness. As you can see, we're still painting. Got that. We have a fully rebuilt, I just need to put the bearings in it, rear tire assembly. I think I should have everything here for Jess's except the front wheel. I was taking this one apart, and fun fact, take all these round bolts off, you might want to air down the tire. But in my case, when it popped apart, it kind of helped me out here. Okay, so it's hand control day. We've got the hand controls and grips hooked up on the purple people eater here. Apologize for the wind noise, folks, but check it out. We lost some footage on this bad boy. So we're kind of skipped ahead to, oh, look, it's done. And we're a ways from the house. And I parked and shut it off. It actually didn't break. This is what she looks like. Oh, and turns out, after some researching, this is actually the Hemi engine of the Predator family. I don't know if that's good or bad, but it's a Hemi, and I know Hemis are good. You want to see what I like about it the most? My favorite little thing? It just starts. Let me see if I can't wreck. So I'm going to let Jess ride it, and then I'm going to let her ride the Hobbit, and it's whichever one she's more comfortable on is hers. Because that Hobbit is like a nice old lady, just a friendly machine, out for smiles, and this thing's more like a midget wrestler. It's little, and it wants to put you on the ground. Here's Jess's bike. As you can see, it's, I've been testing it. It's a little dirty. She has yet to ride it. This is going to be her first time. My mini bike. You remember I started with an orange one. So, enter the Hobbit. This is my 1978 Honda Hobbit PA50, I think. It has 451 original miles on it. It only had like 200. There's a video back on the channel. I actually did resurrection on this thing. Now, I rode the crap out of it last year. You know, I pulled Bub in the trailer behind it. So this is going to be my mini bike. Or Jess's, if that one ends up scaring her. So now we got to see about getting this turd started, which, if I remember correctly, is a ton of pedaling and kind of a horrible experience. You can see I left the gas shut off last year with my... One thing this does need is a better auxiliary fuel tank, because the original was rusted completely and gone. So now, yeah, hopefully it doesn't take 8 miles of pedaling this time.
It's coming.
You might watch a man die on this video.
You're not allowed to.
All right, now I'm gonna maybe kick a door open here. Oh, also, by the way, I got you a helmet. Check that out. You are now a member of the Pink Ribbon Riders.
Ooh.
I don't know, but now the coolest part about this, see this little tab?
Yeah.
See this little tab?
Oh, that is kind of neat.
You're basically a fighter pilot. Give me that. Try it on.
I'm going to put a bag inside of there.
Babe,
But I don't know.
you're going to put a bag on your head, you're going to suffocate. God dang.
Shut up. Okay.
Okay, so this thing has 2 controls. It has a brake, and it has, you twist for the throttle. And be real gentle on that throttle, because this thing will do a wheelie and throw you off. So just be gentle with it. Watch how easy yours is. Well, folks, got a beautiful sunset you can't see thanks to the clouds. And these two beauties. This is I expected this video to end with 2 actual mini bikes, but we got one really good one, and then now the Hobbit I have somebody to go riding with. So that's the big thing here. The other mini bike, I don't really care so much. I don't know what's going to end up of it. The engine might just go on my tiller. Now all in, this one costs $200, not counting the $40 I paid to buy it. This thing cost $220. New tires, new bearings, new engine, the paint, and hand controls. So, I mean, they're not super expensive, but they're not super cheap either, like I initially thought. But it was a learning experience. And now, what is it, April? So we've got all summer to really hurt ourselves. So that's going to do it. Thanks for watching, folks. From both of us, you know, we do other stuff. Come check out our other videos. It's not just mini bikes. It's anything with an engine that I can come across. Thanks for watching.